In this video, we will solve a fundamental accounting principle problem, and we have two problems actually. This is the first problem, and this is the second problem. The only difference is this says cannot, and the other problem, it says can. So let's go over it. So we want to make license plates. And for our license plate, the first two things are letters. It can be A, B as an example, followed by 4 numbers. So you can have from 0 to 9. So including 0 to 9 would be 10 possible choices. So we want to know how many license plates are possible if letters and digits can be repeated. Meaning you can have AA or you can have 0000. So we want to know how many license plates are possible under these criteria. So let's think about it. How many letters are there in the alphabet? We should know that it's 26 letters. So we have 26 possible choices for this, and we have 26 possible choices for this. Times, we're multiplying to give us the total number of choices. Now we do the same thing for digits. How many possible digits are there between 0 to 9? If you include 0, you include 9, there's 10 digits. So we have 10 possible choices, and since we can repeat, we can have 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, because we could possibly have AA 0000. And so now we simply multiply this to give us our total number of license plate choices. And if we multiply this, we would get 6,760,000 possible. So that's a lot. And now we'll do the second problem. It's pretty much the same, except we cannot repeat letters and we cannot repeat digits. Meaning we can't have AA, we can have AB, and we can't have 0000. We could have 0, 1, 2, 3. And so we want to know the number of total options. So what we're going to do here is say, how many possible letters do we have the first time? Since we can choose any letter, we have 26 possible options. But the next time, we have 1 less. Whatever letter we chose here, we cannot choose here. Times, now we have 4 digits. So the first time we choose a digit, we have 10 possible choices, 0 to 9. The next time we have 1 less. So if this was 0, we can't have 0. We can only have 1 through 9. So it's 1 less. So 10 minus 1 times, we have 2 more digits. So it's going to be the exact same thing. So 10 minus 2 times 10 minus 3. So just to simplify it a little bit, we have 26 times 25 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. And if we were to multiply this, we would get 3,276,000 possible choices. And if you remember from the last problem where we could repeat, our choice was 6,760,000. So this is less than half of it. And that's all we need to do for these two problems.